Transfusion. The word transfusion is a noun that refers to the process of transferring blood or other fluids from one person or organism to another. It is commonly used in the medical field to describe the act of giving blood to a patient in need. Transfusions are often performed to replace lost blood, increase blood volume, or provide necessary components like red blood cells, platelets, or plasma. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of transfusion. 1. The accident victim required an immediate blood transfusion to replace the blood he had lost. 2. The hospital has a well-equipped blood bank to ensure that they can provide transfusions to patients in emergency situations. 3. The doctor ordered a platelet transfusion for the leukemia patient to help with clotting. 4. After the surgery, the patient received a plasma transfusion to replenish the proteins and fluids in his bloodstream. 5. The newborn baby had a condition that required a complete blood transfusion to replace his diseased blood cells. In addition to its medical usage, transfusion can also be used in a figurative sense to describe the transfer or exchange of other substances or ideas. For example, 1. The teacher's lecture was a transfusion of knowledge, leaving the students enlightened and inspired. 2. The cultural exchange program aimed to promote a transfusion of ideas between different societies. 3. The merger between the two companies resulted in a transfusion of resources and expertise. 4. The book club provided a transfusion of literary appreciation, allowing members to discuss and share their thoughts on various books. Overall, transfusion is a versatile word that primarily refers to the transfer of blood or other fluids in a medical context, but can also be used metaphorically to describe the exchange or transfer of other substances or ideas.